Hey there, I hope all is well. I'm doing this video on the fly because I cannot believe that I was asked again by a newly retired person if they should be rolling over their 401k. I thought we were past this. I can only think of one reason why you might not want to roll it over, but there are at least 10 reasons why you should. Here's the main problem. If you don't plan your 401k distributions, the tax benefit you receive putting the money into your 401k all those years can easily be destroyed without a plan. You can download my book for free that addresses these tax concerns, but tax are just one issue of the issues you face. Most 401k plans have very limited investment choices, and this is a very big issue for almost everyone. And generally, 401ks are more expensive. You're paying more for something that gives you less. Doesn't really make sense, does it? Also, you can't convert a Roth while in a 401k, and getting your money out is generally much more difficult and takes days to weeks. I could go on, but it's Friday and I'm going to go for a swim. Download my book and enter your information below. If you have any specific questions about your rollover 401k, go ahead and ask them too in the space provided. Have a great day.